What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little something. That's kind of a weird little case, but okay, let's check it out then. Coming in from XTOUC, XTOUC. I'm saying XTOUC, that's what I'm going with. I'm going to keep going with it. Yeah, right there, XTOUC. Alright, so they've reached out with me a couple knives. I've got this video out. It should be releasing soon, depending on, hopefully, well, obviously, this is going to be released after this one, so you're not going to know that. But this one should be releasing soon, the video for that. Just had to kind of wait, had some other videos in line. But they reached out to me again with this little guy right here, and it's even smaller than that one. Good lord. Say, like, I thought it was like a pocket knife, like an actual, like, or a keychain knife. Pocket knife for men, titanium handles. Okay. Let's check this little guy out. Oh. It's got something underneath of the foam. Good lord. Oh, a little cleaning cloth. Okay. Cool. I kind of like the little case, though. A little tin case. Like, you can make, like, a little Altoids kit. Hold on. Where's it at? Oh, the same size, right? Yeah, cool. You can make a little Altoid kit out of it. Obviously, it's got a little plastic case, though, but you can see everything in there. Be like a first aid. You can make a first aid kit out of it, and obviously, you know what's there. So, yeah, okay. So, here's my hand. Average to medium hands, I guess, around that area. So that's how small that is. And there's, yeah, I'm going to say this is like a keychain knife, because that looks like a keychain hole right there to me. So obviously if you want a knife on your keychain, this thing, it's not going to get in your way. Oh, and it's Damascus. That's right. That's Damascus also. I know nothing about Damascus at all. So no knowledge on this knife whatsoever. But it's kind of cool, though. It's kind of goofy, but it's also really kind of cool. Look at that going. Like, I thought this thing was small. It's thick. But it's small, though, too, in hand. But it's not bad. But daggone, look at that. Let me get it on screen. Good lord. Daggone. If you want a small knife, that right there. Right up your alley. Good lord. It's not bad either. I don't know about the front flipper, though. Let's try to get it to work. It's so small in hand. Try it. We got this. Come on. I'm so paranoid. How smooth is it even? It works. It's pretty smooth. Just gotta get it to... Okay, so how about like this? Come on, baby. How about just something work? I can't get it to work. So, here, let's try it one more time. Oh my god, I'm gonna get this. There we go. Okay. Did you guys see that? You guys got that right? You got it? I got it on camera. I know I did. Okay, so you just... Man, probably because my thumbnail's a little long. I'm going to try trimming that and see if it still works. But you kind of just have to... Honestly, it's the side of my fingernail I'm doing it to. And it works. Well, obviously not right there. But just got to get the side of your thumb right there and somehow pinch it all together. And oh, so I don't know. This thing's crazy, though. Make this a short video, obviously. Okay, so it's definitely a cool little keychain knife. And it'd be kind of dope because I actually got like a little flashlight. Like, it's a keychain flashlight. I actually have a couple of them. And now I think I know I'm gonna put both of them on the same keychain. Because I got a couple other like hook keychains, stuff like that. Some cool stuff that I'm going to put together. And I actually think I'm going to put them together. So I got a knife and a flashlight. So I'll be squared away, right? It's kind of cool. No backspace. It's just two slabs right up against each other. Got two screws right here holding everything together. It's even kind of skeletonized on the inside. I'm going to do a final review. I'm going to get a little bit more information on this if I can. But I'm going to get everything like weight, size, length, everything for you guys because this thing's funny. It's not bad though. The button lock works actually pretty well. And I guess this is more like for a thumbnail because you have a little fuller right there. But I would say it's more like that. It's like a thumbnail to get it open. So I would say like a thumbnail, front flipper when you can get to work, and obviously also with the button lock. And it works pretty well. It really engages. It really looks like it goes... Yeah, it actually works pretty well. But the Damascus is what I'm really not knowledgeable about at all. But it looks kind of cool though. And this is not a very expensive. Like it is titanium, and I like that really that milling right there. That's actually kind of nice. It's actually kind of cool. I'm not gonna joke. Like it kind of is. It's a little a little cutesy knife. Sorry, that was lame, but it kind of is. It reminds me of like the knife I'd give my daughter. I think I'm going to. Because it's a good little knife, I think, for her. I don't know. I'll let her, you know, I'll let her, handle it and see how she does with it. I got a couple knives I want to give her, so we'll see which one she likes the best out of all of them. But not too bad. Kind of a solid little knife. Nice little EDC knife. If definitely you could throw it in your pocket. Definitely probably a cool little keychain knife, though. I did just notice centering is a little off, but that can be easily fixed. Yeah, so it's a hairball off. I can get it on camera better. So that's not too bad. That's easy fix. I can fix that. I'll have that fixed in the final review. But kind of a cool little knife. Like I said, I'll have more information for you guys. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section. I think this thing is under 50 bucks. Titanium, Damascus, some cool little blue anodized like screws and pivots and stuff like that. So it's kind of cool. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.